Let's take a look at how to use the count function in SQL. Now, the count function is used to count the number of rows returned in a select statement. But let's take a look at this in practice to get a better understanding as to how it actually works. So today we'll be using our contact table. So we'll do a select statement on it. So as you can see, we have 19,972 rows in this particular table. Now, this application provides us with a count of the rows. However, we are able to also use that count function that will allow us to get a return result of the amount of records or rows in this particular table. And to do that, we'd use the count keyword. And the count keyword will be placed right after the select. So we'll say select count, and we'd put in bracket either the name of the column that we wish to count the data from, or we can actually use the asterisk, which represents all columns, as it will return the amount of records from the row. And then we'd provide the table in which we'd want to do the checked against, in this case the contact table. So we're going to highlight and execute, and we're seeing where it returned a result of 19,972 records. Now we're also able to use the count statement with a where clause. So let's go ahead and re-execute our select star. And we are currently interested in doing a statement that will count the amount of records that have a last name starting with the letter A. So what we would do is start off with our select count in brackets star from contact, and we'd add our where clause, where last name like, and we're interested in A. So we're going to execute this, and this will provide us with a count of all of the records in the contact table that have a last name starting with the letter A. So if we're to execute, we have received the result of 911 records. So using the count function will allow for us to create a statement that will identify the amount of records that meets a particular criteria. So our key takeaways is we'd be utilizing the count function by providing the count keyword, then in brackets you can use an asterisk, you can put the name of the column, or you can even use a random value of 1 for argument's sake, and it will provide us with the same result. This is how you would use the count function.